Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe.
You arrive in Portugal. The streets are beautiful. The food smells amazing. The ocean is right there. And then, someone speaks to you. In Portuguese. You smile. You nod, but you don't understand. You want to ask for directions, order confidently, connect with locals. But without the language, you feel like an outsider. What if you could change that in just a few minutes? Today, I'm going to teach you 30 essential European Portuguese phrases that every traveler needs. Simple, useful, and powerful. By the end of this video, you'll feel ready to explore Portugal with confidence. Let's begin. Phrase 1. Olá. Hello. Simple and friendly. Phrase 2. Bom dia. Good morning. Phrase 3. Boa tarde. Good afternoon. Phrase 4. Boa noite. Good evening or good night. Phrase 5. Adeus. Goodbye. More formal. Phrase 6. Obrigado, obrigada. Thank you. Phrase 7. Muito obrigado. Thank you very much. Phrase 8. De nada. You're welcome. Phrase 9. Por favor. Please. Phrase 10. Desculpe. Sorry or excuse me. Phrase 11. Fala inglês? Do you speak English? Phrase 12. Não percebo. I don't understand. Phrase 13. Pode repetir, por favor? Can you repeat, please? Phrase 14. Ajude-me, por favor. Help me, please. Phrase 15. Onde fica a casa de banho? Where is the bathroom?
Phrase 16. Onde fica? Where is? Phrase 17. Onde fica a estação? Where is the station? Phrase 18. Como chego a? How do I get to? Phrase 19. Este comboio vai para? Does this train go to? Phrase 20. Quanto custa? How much does it cost? Phrase 21. Menu, por favor. Menu, please. Phrase 22. Quero isto. I want this. Phrase 23. Está delicioso. It's delicious. Phrase 24. Água, por favor. Water, please. Phrase 25. A conta, por favor. The bill, please. Phrase 26. O que é isto? What is this? Phrase 27. Pode fazer mais barato? Can you make it cheaper? Phrase 28. Posso pagar com cartão? Can I pay by card? Phrase 29. Sim. Yes. Phrase 30. Não. No. And there you have it. 30 essential European Portuguese phrases that can completely transform your travel experience. You don't need perfect pronunciation. You don't need fluency. You just need to try. Because in Portugal, even a small effort is appreciated. It creates connection, it earns respect, it opens doors. So save this video, practice these phrases, and walk into your next trip with confidence. Because travel feels different when you can speak the language, even just a little. Safe travels, and enjoy Portugal. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.